time I get an Afrikaans interview, Natalie goes, "Who is that?" My in-laws don't know how deep my Afrikaans go. I'm Afrikaans level 7, and there's only 6 levels. I go deep. You know, especially when they interview you, and as Afrikaans interviewers, his name's always Johan for some reason. I don't know why. And then I sound like a female Afrikaans singer. There's an accent that comes, that I channel from the Afrikaans gods come through me. They ask me questions, and everything sounds sophisticated. Any story sounds more sophisticated in the pure Afrikaans that I use. They ask me, "Alfred, hoe gaan dit?" Ek sê, "Ag, dankie Johan. Ag, mense het so 'n bietjie van 'n maagvirus hier opgedoen op pad Nysna toe hierdie naweek, en toe moet ek bietjie veld vat, maar daar was nou nie toiletrollie toe, gebruik ek maar 'n blaartjie. Ag, maar verder gaan dit eintlik klop disselboom." That's how it sounds. Out of nowhere. I use higher level words. Natalie was shocked one day when I did a whole show in Afrikaans, because I do Afrikaans stand-up as well. Ek is groot in die Afrikaans stand-up, jy weet, bedryf. Yeah, now I'm using bad words, but this is how I normally sound. I say things like, ja, Johan, jy weet, hierdie, die bedryf sukkel 'n bietjie, maar wat kan 'n mens doen? 'n Mens moet volhard en vooruit beweeg. Dis 'n ou manier dat ons deur hierdie pandemie gaan kom. Is that a word? I don't think a pandemie is a word. But anyway, you get what I'm saying. Afrikaans just comes out, then my in-laws go, "Huh?" But my parents know. Afrikaans level 7. And there's only 6 levels.